Welcome back to Creative Grassroots. I'm Jen, and today I'm going to be sharing some tips I've learned about growing one of my personal favorites, the broccoli plant. The broccoli plant is a cool weather veggie. It grows best between October and April. Broccoli is a part of the brassica species and related to the cabbage family. Broccoli grows best in full sun, but can grow just fine in shade. It just may take a slight bit longer to grow. Broccoli enjoys a well-drained soil that is slightly acidic and with pH levels between 6 and 7. Broccoli also grows best in a rich amended soil, full of organic matter such as compost and manure. Broccoli likes a regular day-to-day watering, keeping the soil consistently moist. It can take anywhere from 70 to 150 days for a broccoli plant to fully mature. The broccoli plant will first produce a large center head. Once that head is harvested, the broccoli plant will then produce smaller side heads for several weeks. The plant can be harvested 2 or 3 times before flowering. The plants were all placed 15 to 18 inches apart in the garden bed. On average, the broccoli plant can grow to a height of 2.5 feet. Broccoli can be planted 2 weeks before your last frost date for a fall harvest. The plant produces beautiful yellow flowers that attract all the honeybees. Broccoli is a biennial, meaning it grows in the first year and flowers in the second year. These beautiful yellow flowers will eventually turn into green pods, producing my future broccoli seeds. These green pods will eventually turn brown and completely dry out. From there, I will be doing a video and sharing how I save and harvest all of my seeds. Broccoli is incredibly healthy. It's rich in vitamins and minerals. And did you know that the broccoli plant is completely edible, from the stems to the florets to the leaves? And that also includes the beautiful yellow flowers. They are absolutely delicious. And it's also a great way to help decorate the dinner plate. Broccoli was first introduced to North America in the early 19th century. But did you know it's been around for more than 2,000 years? And I can see why it's been around so long. Broccoli is very versatile in the kitchen. Broccoli can be harvested and eaten raw or cooked. Or you can preserve your broccoli even longer by placing it into the freezer for another time. Down in the description, I'll be sure to leave a link to my favorite fertilizer. Any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for taking the time to join me today. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm Jen at Creative Grassroots, and I'll see y'all next time.